Bruh. Look at all of these bits. Boy, I'm fucking keen. Holy shit, this has got to be the most amount of new car parts that I have ever bought, at least at once. Yeah, if you can't tell from the big moon-shaped panels, this is an entire body kit. At least that's how it started, and then I got there and the bloke had so much more stuff that I wanted that it kind of just blew out a little bit. Just a little bit. It was initially supposed to be side skirts, rear bumper, front bumper, and then it turned into spoiler, splitter, new plastic trims, new side plastic trims, new window seals, new something or other seals, new whatever that metal piece of trim is that goes along there, new tail lights, boss kit which you chucked in for free after I grabbed the rest of this stuff, new mirrors, new front blinkers, and front or side, sorry, indicators, and yeah. It blew a little bit out of proportion. Next day now, let's move the Skyline and check out what we've picked up. I haven't driven this thing in a long time. Like, the last time you guys saw it run was the last time I saw it run. Kind of surprised it started so well, honestly. Well, that gives us a bit more room. It's got me keen as to work on the Skyline though, I'll tell you that much. Holy shit. Where the f do I even start, bro? This is the boot lip and or spoiler mount. These are the two hood risers. Hood risers? Spoiler risers, sorry. I may have. And this is a BMW M3 style spoiler. Look at that thing. Completely unnecessary. It's so sick. BMW E36 M3 style bumper. Made out of plastic, not fiberglass. This means it's bendy, which means it won't break when I hit a speed bump in my stupid low beamer. I mean, I'm not going to bother opening this because it is sealed at the moment and there's no point opening it properly until it goes on the car. These are the side skirts. Obviously, again, BMW M3 style. This little box here, we've got side trims that go down the length of the car. And it's probably one of the pieces that, honestly, had he not mentioned it, I never would have thought to replace. Because, I mean, I don't really care that much. But, again, these were that cheap. I couldn't really say no to them. They actually come with these sweet little M3 badges that will never, ever, ever make it on the car. Because it's not a fucking M3. Window trims and window surrounds. The portions on the car these will be replacing are actually pretty munted. I've been trying to actually get down to this pit, show it before the rest of the little pieces. Oh, that hurt. M3 style rear bumper. It's a cool little splitter. And I think it's sick. They look awesome when they're on the car. I mean, that's like most of the stuff right there. And these are clear indicators. They look better than the orange ones. The clear side indicators. These are the tail lights that replace the factory ones with the clear rather than the hazed orange. I have all three. So all the lights in the car will go from the hazel orange to clear. Might as well pile all parts up in frame where you can actually see them. To be completely honest with you, I'm still not entirely sure what this is. So we're going to find out together what these are, because like I said, he told me, but I still don't really know. I have to stand way back here to get in frame. This is actually the piece of aluminum trim that goes all the way around the window frame and rear window frame of the car. And the last thing that the bloke managed to flog me off with these M3 style mirrors. Anywho, if you think that's pretty cool, you should like, follow and subscribe to see me put all of this stuff on the car. Because believe it or not, I don't have enough content to film, so I'm going to make this as long and as stretched out as I possibly can. We're talking one body piece at a time. Depending on the body piece. Body kit piece, that sounds kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, like, follow, subscribe to stay up to date in the E36 build, and probably upcoming 32 content, because I really got to get that thing on the road. Like, it's ready, sort of. I just got to pull my finger out and do it. But for the meantime, E36 stuff. Hell yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Bruh, did you hear my fucking knees? Holy shit.